Hey everyone, Adam here with WhipWorks, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way to attach a crack to a bullwhip. So I have here two of my bullwhips. I call these Fire and Ice because, well, colors and I'm clever. I need to replace the falls on these. These falls are too short and I want to work with something a little bit longer. So I'm going to replace the falls and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I attach the cracks to my falls. I know it's been a second since I uploaded to YouTube and I feel a little bit guilty about it, so let's just not talk about it and let's just say we did. Okay, good talk. So now we've got our two whips here, brand new falls, and we're going to replace the cracks on both of these for the first time. So what we're gonna need for this, a needle with a large eye. We are going to be needing a fid. And this is my favorite. I sell these on my Etsy shop. Gonna need those two things and we're gonna need a crack. And you see I have here a blue and an orange crack. Fire crack on the ice whip and the ice crack on the fire whip, because I'm artistic. So the first thing we need to do is, this is not singed off, it's frayed. So if I poke a hole through this right now, it's just gonna fray until the end of it is no longer, until it's just nonsense. So we're gonna go on ahead and singe the tip here, kind of very gently pack it down, make it nice and flat and aesthetic here. We're going to take our fid, we're going to poke a hole near the tip here, just a very small hole. I'm not even poking it through that far, just a little bit there, if you can see that. We're going to take our large-eyed needle, our Glover's needle, I think they might be called, and we're going to go on ahead and wiggle that through, and then we're going to take our crack, and we're going to lace it through here. We're going to pull it through. And we're going to very slowly pull this through. And it's just going to kind of wiggle it very slowly until it comes through. Take out the needle. We're going to create a loop here. Stick my finger through it here so you can see what I'm doing. So I've got it through here, and I'm gonna take this loop and I'm gonna wrap it around itself here. And then I'm gonna pull the crack through it, through itself, and then it essentially locks itself into place. All right, let's do it. Let's do it one more time. Okay, and again, the tip here is not frayed. It's frayed rather, it's not singed. So we're gonna take our lighter, we're gonna singe the tip here. And very gently. My fingers are so burnt that I don't even feel it anymore. Don't do this at home, kids. Then I'm going to poke my hole through here very gently. And again, it's not that far through. We're gonna take our wide-eyed needle, we're gonna push it through. So there it is, through. Take our crack, lace our crack through the eye here. So then we're going to pull it through here, just very gently, wiggling it back and forth until it's through. Be careful not to pull it all the way through, as I just about did there. And then we're gonna go to the back here. We're gonna unravel it. We're gonna stick our finger in here. And there we have it, so it looks like that. We're gonna wrap it around itself. And we're going to pull it through. Just like that. Easy peasy, very gently, pull it tight. That is not going anywhere. I hope that was helpful in teaching you how to tie on the cracks of your own bullwhips. So get out there. You're not going to lose nearly as many cracks doing it this way, but you do need to make sure whenever you go out to use your whips that you have a fid, that you have your wide-eyed needle, that you have your lighter so you can re-singe the fall if the hard tip of it gets torn off by the crack. I mean, we're moving at like Mach 1.2, 1.5, something like that. Smart people, please tell me in the comments, how fast is the crack actually going when it breaks the sound barrier? I've got some fresh cracks on these, so I'm gonna go on ahead and crack my whips. All right, here we are at the beautiful Lake Nokomis in Minneapolis. I love it out here. There's a lot of plane noise, but I'm sure you'll still be able to hear these fresh cracks. I've never cracked on ice before. That's pretty fun. It's beautiful out here today, minus the airplane noises. Thank you all for watching today. I hope that this was helpful in teaching you how I think to properly attach a crack onto your whip's fall. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next video. And as always, happy cracking.